What's up, everyone? I've got something cool to show you today, so let's get into it. First off, the design is clean, modern, and just chef's kiss. It's a vibe. The price? Oh, it's a steal for the quality you're getting. Trust me on this one. And the versatility? Off the charts. Home, office, gift. It's got you covered. Stylish, useful, and dependable.